ଶୁଣୁ ଆଚ୍ଛା ସେ ଆଜି ସେ ନାଲିଆ ପେତି ଗୋଟେ ଆସିକି ହାବୁଡରେ ପଡିଯାଇଛି ବୁଝିଲୁ ନା ସକାଳୁ ତାକୁ 3-4 ହଜାର ଟଙ୍କା ଦେଇ ସାରିଲାଣି ମନ୍ଦିର ଦେଖ ହଁ ହ୍ୟାଲୋ ହ୍ୟାଲୋ ହଁ ବୁଦ୍ଧିଆ ଭାଇ ହଁ ମୁଁ ଏଇଠି ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ସେ ଟୁରିଷ୍ଟ ବାବୁ ଜଣେ ଆସିଛନ୍ତି ତାଙ୍କୁ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ମନ୍ଦିର ଦେଖଉଛି ହେଲା କି ଆଉ ମୁଁ ଅଧଘଣ୍ଟେ ଖଣ୍ଡେ ଛାଡିକି କଥାବାର୍ତ୍ତା କରୁଛି ତା ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ହେଲା କି ଆଚ୍ଛା ହଁ ନା ବ୍ୟସ୍ତ ପରା ପୁରା ଆଜ୍ଞା ପୁରା ବାବୁ ଠିଆ ହେଇଛନ୍ତି ସାମ୍ନାରେ ପଛକୁ କଥା ହବା ହଁ ଟେଲ୍ ମି
Jude, tell me something about Konark Mandir.
Huh?
Tell me something about Konark Mandir.
କୋଣାର୍କ ମନ୍ଦିର ବାବୁ ତୁ ଟେଲ୍
Yeah.
କୋଣାର୍କ ମନ୍ଦିର has no tell ନାଙ୍ଗୁଡା ନରସିଂହଦେବ has tell କୋଣାର୍କ ମନ୍ଦିର has no tell
Tell me what?
ନାଙ୍ଗୁଡ ପରା ନାଙ୍ଗୁଡ
No.
ଆଉ
It's T-E-L-L. T-E-double-L.
tell କହିବି speak yes I can understand I can stand I can sleep on English
That's so smart.
ନାଲିଆ ପେତି ମୁଣ୍ଡରେ ହାତ ମାରୁଛୁ ମାରିମି ଚଟକଣ୍ଡେ ପାଚିକି ତମର ଚୁଟି ନାହିଁ ଧଳା ହେଇଗଲାଣି ଯେ କୋଣାର୍କ ଟେମ୍ପୁଲ
Yeah.
the king was Nanguda Narsimdev. He was catching a khonda in his hand.
What?
Khonda.
Knife. Oh, big knife.
Big knife nahi. Sword.
Oh, sword.
हाँ से sword जो धरुଥିଲେ କିଏ Nanguda Narsimdev.
Yeah.
When he was standing in his sword in his bag तो sword ପଛ ବାଡ଼ିକି ଯଦି ନମ୍ବୁଥିଲା it looks like as Nangudo.
What?
Tail.
Yeah, that tail.
तो Narsimdev attached with Nanguda.
Yeah.
Complete name Nanguda Narsimdev. Son, Surya.
Yeah.
Son. He wanted to puja son.
Yeah.
कौन? या तो ढोगी चटकंडे ने बस son को से
What?
पूजा
Worship.
तब जॉब करना चाहे तो मंदिर नहीं था देयर वाज नो टेम्पल फॉर द सन तो ही वाज डिसाइडेड टू मेक ए टेम्पल से बाबू से कौन कले 1200 बढ़े डाकिले 1200 बढ़े
What?
सिटिंग इनसाइड ऑफ द पथर्स stones having usaria knife having a hatpudi in his hand they're pitting and making designing on stone.
As that hat?
What is
Hammer.
बस hammer से गोटा अग उसारिया knife
Yeah.
हाथुड़ी रे हमारे हाथुड़ी हमारे पिटी की
Yeah.
they make designs on stone attaching one by one this is a big attachment became Konarko.
The temple, sun temple.
The leader of the 1200 बढ़ी 1200 जो 1200 बढ़ी
What badass?
who the pitting designing who
The workers.
workers ना workers माटी ताडुले ना कोन worker को तो कोन भाबुजी 1200 बढ़ी के मारिम चटकन से नालिया पेटी कुआडू पळि आजी कहला workers हम को लेबर से माटी ताडुले लेबर सब
What?
the designers
Yeah.
on stone
Yeah.
ताकर जे लीडर थिला ता नाउ जे बिसु महाराणा
What matter?
बिसु what is your name
My name is Frenza.
कौन
What's Frenza?
एटा ना एटा कौन कहलु तू एटा तुम अभद्र कथा कहून तो तुम भाषार ना आम ता ना योर नेम इज अनुफुलस ता ना सेमिति होची बिसु महाराणा हिज नेम इज बिसु महाराणा
Bismarck. Bismarck.
बिसु महाराणा
Mara.
तार गोटे जो वन एंड ओनली सन वाज धर्मा
Dharma.
सन
Dharma.
ड्रामा नुहे धर्मा
Yeah.
he at last come in that moment the 1200 bodies as pura bekas of the top the oak
Yeah.
the oak of the mandir oak cannot
What now?
pathar final stone cannot Dharma come
Yeah.
and he fix it.
Oh, is it really?
1200 body. 1200 body is tailed.
What?
If it that little dharma
Child.
child, if it can he do, तो हमें कौन सा नाथिया?
What is Natia?
Worthless.
What?
We are cannot do something, anything. एते काम हमें करी.
Yeah.
But finally the final stone who can touch? A little child can do it. Chi.
What?
Chi.
Tray.
I'm a bekar. We are worthless, we are fellow, we are nonsense.
Oh, nonsense.
Nonsense. He can do. Dharma को कथाटा बहुत बाधिला. The dharma shocked. And finally he jogging to talk. And climbed.
Where is the og?
Where is the og? Og tapra og.
Where is the og?
This is the temple.
Yeah.
Had og.
Oh, that's the og.
Top.
Oh, means top.
They dharma jogging to the top and
Yeah.
ढिसियाऊं into the samudra. यूथ हो ये रखी काम धंदा नहीं कि 3-4 महला 50 महला 60 महला बिल्डिंग छाड़ी के भंगा मंदिर पाखर पड़ते तुम्हें.
Hey. So that Dharmada climb on the top of the temple and then discount. What's the meaning of discount?
Huh?
What's the meaning of discount?
ढिसियाऊं.
Yeah.
धर्मपद climb to the og and ढिसियाऊं.
Yeah.
I ढिसियाऊं.
What?
This is the better way to show the meaning of words, the example.
Yeah.
I will give you an example. What was the ढिसियाऊं?
Yeah.
ढिसियाऊं. बस
This is meaning discount.
ଅଗୁ କୁ ଚଢିଗଲା ଦେଇ ପଡିଲା. ସମୁଦ୍ର ପୁରା ପାଖରେ ଥିଲା ଅଗୁ. He climbed to the top
Yeah.
and
Oh, then he jumped into the sea.
hussy କଣ ହୁଏ?
Horse, not horse. That's sea.
sea ସମୁଦ୍ର.
Yeah, sea.
You go now the କୋଣାର୍କ. Now you go.
Yeah.
You see the ସମୁଦ୍ର sea.
Yeah.
You see the sea.
Yeah.
ପାଖାପାଖି 2 kilometers from the temple. Now the sea 2 kilometers far from the Konark temple.
Okay.
Then the public now confused the how dharma doing 2 kilometers. 2 kilometers how staying?
That's a point.
But there is no point. Point is I tell.
What?
The sea was very ପାଖରେ ସେତେବେଳେ.
What?
ମାନେ sea was not 2 kilometers.
Oh.
sea ପୁରା attached. ସମୁଦ୍ର ଭିତରେ was କୋଣାର୍କ. ସମୁଦ୍ରକୁ ଇଆଡୁ ଷ୍ଟୋନ ପକେଇ ପୁତିଂ
Yeah.
and finally
Yeah.
the temple was standing. ତ ଯେତେବେଳେ ସେ ପୁରା କମ୍ପ୍ଲିଟ ପାଣି ଭିତରେ standing, why ଧର୍ମପଦ not doing? So finally he made the decision to ଢିସିଗାଁও and he ଢିସିଗାଁও.
Then discount means jump into the
John and
Oh, then die.
ହଁ suicide. ନାଲିଆ ପେଟି ଏତେବେଳେ ବୁଝିଛି ଟୁକା.
Oh, suicide.
And this temple